Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. As I said yesterday, it was raining outside today, so I thought I'd do another pour. So today I'm going to be doing a swipe in two sections. On the one side I'm going to have these three light blues, and the swipe color is going to be this dark blue, and on the other side I'm going to have these three dark blues, and the swipe color is going to be a light blue. So it's a bit of an experiment. I'm not really sure how it's going to turn out. But yeah, let's give it a go. Let us begin. Okay, there we go guys, so that's the one side done. I think I'll do the swipe first and then I'll move it around to the other side. So as usual today I'm using my kitchen towel, which I'm just going to fold over, and then I'm going to give it a quick spray. There we go. Move these paints out the way. Right, there we go. Now we're going to use our dark blue color here, swipe color. There we go. Right, let's hold thumbs that this works nicely. Let it slide off the back, so you coat that back as well. There we go. Oh, that's looking beautiful. Beautiful, as they say in Australia. Shout out to my friend Cools. Probably won't be watching this, but hey, you can always hope. Right, let me see if I can turn this around quickly. Wow, that's looking great. Excellent. Right, now for the other side. I'm going to go with these darker blues first. There we go guys. I think I made pretty much the exact right amount of paint. Let me just go down the sides here. What am I doing? Oh no, that is not good. That is not good at all. I actually made a mistake here and poured my flow mixture on instead of this blue. Man, that's annoying. But anyway, such is life. We shall experiment and see what happens with it. So this one's going to go right across here. There we go. Paper. There we go guys. Now it's time for the second swipe. Let's see how this goes. Go. Wow, that's looking great. That's looking great. Now I've had a bit of an issue with my last two paintings, which were both done on an old canvas, and they've both cracked once they dried. So I'm hoping that it was just the canvas and not my my paint mix. I've been reading about it that it's maybe if it's too thin or too thick, or there's too much paint on the canvas, then it can happen. But yeah, I'm not gonna do this too much. There we go. Yeah, some beautiful cells coming up. Looks like there's a bit of yellow coming. I'm not really sure where that's coming from. Let me see if I can sort that out. Yes, guys, I like it. Actually, the mixing that Floetrol, mixing my swipe mixture with the other colors has just created some incredible cells here. So I'm pretty happy that I did that wrong, actually, because I've learnt now a lesson. So now I'll be able to replicate it next time, which will be great. Wow, that's like one of those times when you make a mistake and actually it turns out for the best. I've never had cells like this before, so very happy about that. And now I know, sort of say to myself, that's the secret. Maybe put the Floetrol or the swipe mixture combined in with the other colors. So there you have it, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Sorry about the little mistake, but you know, painting's not an exact science, so I'm just glad it all worked out for the best. I'm going to give you a close-up now, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video with anyone else that enjoys painting or acrylic pouring. And yeah, hope you're having a good week. I'm going to let this one dry and hope that it doesn't crack this time, and I'll see you guys later in the week for another pour. Here's a close-up. Cheers.